doing a giveaway on some yarn. To participate, please comment down below something crochet related. I have a Facebook group and page out that is new if you'd like to join, which is listed down below. 2 books on Amazon for sale, that's listed down below, and I'm selling Etsy mugs. If you'd like to take a look at that, all the information, just go down below this video. This yarn is the Barcelona yarn from Loops and Threads. It's, if you can see, it's like a light pinkish mix of pinks with white, and on the soft, kind of a little bit on the fuzzy side. When you do comment down below, you can comment something crochet related, like I said, but also maybe any videos you'd like to see in the future. And if you've ever seen this type of yarn or used it before. So it's 328 yards, 7 ounces. It's bulky 5 and takes a 6, which is a J hook. It's the review, I'd say it is 100% acrylic. It is soft. I think it would be really pretty as like some type of shawl or clothing or something like that. This was found at Amazon. I'm going to check on, or this was found at Walmart. I'm going to check if Amazon has it and link that down below if you'd like to take a look. I'm not sure. I haven't looked yet, but I like to link them just in case anybody wants to see different colors or anything like that. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'm going to pick a winner in a couple of weeks. Look out for that as well. I have new videos that I've been posting for tutorials. So just go to my channel and you can see those. I have just posted a few, which was like a puff stitch square and shawl, some flowers. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please be a subscriber.